Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am going to discuss about how you can make $1 just by doing simple tasks and doing over and over again. So you can make $1 or $1.50 just by doing simple tasks, and you can repeat this process and make as much money as you want. I know this seems like not a big money for you, but many people are asking about how they get started. They do not have money, so how they can earn a few bucks at the start and can invest in a bigger projects later on. So I decided to give them opportunity where they can earn some few dollars per day, and they can later on start some big projects. Before starting this video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I create new videos for this channel. As you know, I am creating videos on a daily basis and providing you a lot of valuable information how you can start your journey from home and make money so that you can leave your 9 to 5 job. So let's get started and just visit the website, that is enrollapp.com. The website is enroll, and as I have already told you, enrollapp.com, that is its address. And once you land on this website, and actually what this website does, it actually coordinate with a lot of popular brands out there, and when brands reach to the enroll and they ask enroll to please help us to our websites or our logos and something like that from your member, so that we can judge them whether our website logos and other things are offer better engagement and offer better user experience to our visitors or not. So we, being a member of the enroll, we can tell those brands, or we can show those brands about their website, apps and logos, and there are a lot of other things out there. Just look at enroll lets you take quick tests to help make a web better place for everyone, help companies decide which logos better clarify content, and simply complete tasks on a website or app to ensure the interaction makes sense. So just they give you the tasks, you need to complete those tests. That could hardly take your 3 to 5 minutes, and on average you will earn $1 for every test. So just move downward, and here they are showing that be the first one to join this site. Take tests anywhere. You can just use your phone, tablet, and do not need your laptop or PC. You just, while traveling on the train and while traveling on the bus, you can complete those tasks from anywhere and earn rewards. Change the web. So you can just give out a sample test here. So they will just give you a website and ask you about how you feel like about that particular website, and let's suppose you will say 3 or more things like I am feeling professional about this website or something good about this website. They may ask you a second question, why you are thinking like this. So just 2 or 3 questions, that's done, right? Let's start it with the enroll. So just if you want to check out your sample test, click on a check out a sample test. Here click on let's begin, and click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. Click on where you might get some inspiration for the upcoming trips. So just I click on packages and click continue. What does this page makes you feel? Select up to 3. And this page looks, if you look at this, then you can say this page build trust and anticipation and joy. So you just click on 3 and click on continue. Why do you feel this way? So it is optional, you can just write it, and it would be better for you because once you provide enough information, they will provide you more tests. Just provide more detail and in a truthful way. After looking at the website, I found it professional looking, that build trust among the people. I do not find anything that is suspicious and not trusted. So just writing few lines, click on continue. Great, tell us a little about yourself. Gender male and age 25 to 34, education postgraduate, and income. So just complete this test. So just provide your right information here. Don't make false statement, because if you just provide them false statements or just try to be over smart, they will restrict your test. So now just join this site. Email ID khan1775 gmail.com. Enroll now. Your testing preferences. We will use this information to deliver tests relevant to you. Companies will only receive demographic information and never use personal data like your name or email. Select platform you can test on. So I just want to test on, I am currently using laptop. So desktop is looking good. Your full name, first name, say Khan, computer expertise, intermediate, time spent on the internet, hours per day, 6 or more, location, so hey, we need your help in order to receive test. Please answer as many poll questions as you can. The more questions you answer, the better we can make the web together. Please answer all questions honestly. If we detect fraudulent responses, we may have to freeze your account. Do you have a PhD? No. Let's see how you stacked up. So after answering these questions, so you can further answer those questions as much as you want. And if you click on the test, so here you can see your test. They will send you via email, and you can also see your test here by popping out here. And once you have received the test, then you need to complete that test, just I have completed sometimes before. So test would be similar to that, and you need to provide your honest information. So once you complete it, they will going to approve it, and they will give you on average $1 for a test. Some tests may give you less than $1, and some may give you more than $1, like $1.50. So on average you can expect to earn $1 for every test. This is test record, financials, and even you can see your profile and change your profile here. Payment balance, payment history. So they are going to pay you via PayPal, as you have provided your PayPal email before at the time of creating your account. So just that's all. I hope you like this video, and this video will be great for those people who just have started out their journey and they don't have a few bucks at the start, and everything need money at the start, and you need to invest on some good trusted projects out there. And for getting that money, some people have that money but some people don't. So my aim of this video and my other videos are that you can earn enough money at the start and later on invest on some other popular projects. So if you want to earn a full-time income from home and leave your 9 to 5 job, I have mentioned the link in the description box below. So please click on that link, and this is my #1 recommended system out there. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section below. So that's all for today. Thank you.